Imagine you're driving down the road, maybe even on the highway, and suddenly your car just dies. The engine cuts out, the lights flicker, and you're left stranded. Face screaming in fear. Most people think it's just bad luck or a simple fix, but the truth is, there's a hidden reason behind this, and mechanics rarely tell you about it. Today, we're uncovering the real causes and what you can do to prevent it before it leaves you stranded. When a car dies while driving, it's not just a coincidence. There are a few main systems that can fail, and if one goes bad, your car will suddenly shut off. Some of the most common causes include 1. Fuel delivery issues. Problems with your fuel pump or clogged fuel filter can cut off the flow of fuel to the engine, causing it to stall. 2. Ignition system problems. Worn spark plugs, ignition coils, or faulty wiring can prevent your engine from firing properly. 3. Battery or alternator failure. If your battery or alternator isn't supplying enough power, your car might start dying as you drive. The most overlooked reason for sudden car shutdowns is a failing crankshaft or camshaft position sensor. These sensors tell your car's computer the exact position of your engine's parts so it can time the fuel injection and spark correctly. If one of these sensors starts failing, your engine might run fine sometimes, but randomly die without warning. Symptoms of a failing sensor include 1. Engine cutting out while driving. 2. Car struggling to start or misfiring. 3. Check engine light flickering on and off. 4. Rough idling. It's tricky because the car might start again after a few minutes, making the problem seem random. But ignoring it can leave you stranded, or worse, damage your engine. Other causes can include clogged fuel injectors, which reduces fuel supply to the engine. Faulty mass airflow sensor MAF sends wrong data to your ECU, stalling the engine. Lastly, vacuum leaks.
Air leaks in hoses can throw off engine performance. Each of these issues can mimic the symptoms of a dead engine while driving, which is why diagnosing the exact cause is so important. So, what can you do if your car dies while driving? Here's a practical approach. 1. Check for trouble codes. Use an OBD2 scanner to see if your ECU has logged any errors. Codes like P0335 or P0340 can indicate a crankshaft or camshaft sensor problem. 2. Inspect the fuel system. Check your fuel pump, filter, and fuel lines for blockages or wear. 3. Test the ignition system. Inspect spark plugs, wires, and coils for damage or corrosion. 4. Check battery and alternator. Make sure your car is getting consistent power. 5. Replace faulty sensors. If your crankshaft or camshaft sensor is failing, replacing it is often a simple and inexpensive fix. Make sure to follow your car's manual or a trusted tutorial. Even if the problem seems random, don't ignore warning signs like misfires, rough idling, or flickering check engine lights. Catching the issue early can save you hundreds or even thousands on repairs. If this video helped you understand why your car dies and how to fix it, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY car tips, and share this video with anyone who drives. And don't forget to check out our related videos on common engine problems and easy fixes for beginners. Stay safe and keep your car running smoothly.